Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vikan Istiawan. In this video, I want to do my project of syntax, and I choose the topic of surface and tip structure. And let's move to the part one. Introduction. Noah Chomsky introduced the concept of tip structure and surface structure. They explain how humans produce and understand sentences. The first one is tip structure refers to the core meaning or abstract grammatical representation of sentence, which is what we mentally form before speaking. Surface structure is the actual sentence we say or write, shaped by grammar rules. This idea shows how one tip idea can have many surface forms depending on how it's expressed. Surface structure is the final version of sentence spoken or written. After undergoing a set of grammatical transformations, this is the form that follows the rules of syntax and word order in particular language. For example, like the girl is eating an apple. This final form is the sentence of we read or we see. Deep structures refers to the underlying abstract structure of a sentence. It represents the core ideas or meanings before any grammatical rules are applied. This structure exists in our mind and reflects how we naturally understand relationship between ideas regardless how they are expressed. And the example is the girl ate an apple. This sentence represents the basic underlying meaning before the transformations. And this is another example. The first structure of sentence, it seems that she enjoyed the food, while the tip structure is she enjoys the food. The second one is the cat chasing a mouse is the surface structure of a sentence, while the tip structure is the agile orange cat chasing a big mouse. And this is for the part two. The sentence is the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. And this is the tree diagram. We have NP and VP. The NP of this sentence is the quick brown dog. The quick brown fox. The the determiner is the quick is an adjective, brown is an adjective, and fox is a noun. While the VP jumps, the verb is jumps, and it divided again to prepositional phrase. Offer. The prepositional is offer and NP. The is determiner, lazy is adjective, and dog is noun. The tip structure is of this sentence is the fox is quick and brown, and the second one the dog is lazy. Modifiers like quick, brown, and lazy are adjectives added later. The core idea is the fox jumps over the dog. And this is number two. The girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. The tip starter is the girl is dancing. She is wearing a red dress. This is a relative clause construction. The second clause is embedded in the noun phrase. The core idea is the girl is dancing. And the tree diagram is we have NP and VP. The NP is the girl who is wearing a red dress. The is determiner, girl is noun. And we have relative clause. Relative clause divided by 2 is relative pronoun who, and the VP. VP is divided by 2. The verb is VP, wearing is the verb, and P. And P is determiner, red is adjective, and dress is a noun. The VP in this is the verb is, and the second verb is dancing. This is number 3. Stephanos saw the Zehazkiala with the telescope. The tip structure of the sentence, Stefano saw the Yaskala. Stefano used the telescope. The second sentence becomes a prepositional phrase. We saw how he saw her, while the core idea of the sentence is Stefano saw the Yaskala. It divided by NP and VP. The NP is Stefano as noun, and VP divided by 3. The first one is the verb saw, and the NP, the Yaskala. The is the determiner, Yaskala is a noun. And the second one is prepositional phrase. First one is prepositional with, and the NP, the telescope. Determiner is the telescope is noun. And the next one is she believes that the earth is round. The tip structure are the she believes something, the earth is round. The second sentence become a complement clause with that word. The core idea is she believes the earth round. And we have the NP and VP. The NP is she. VP divided by 2. The first one is believe as verb and relative clause. Relative clause divided again by 2. She is the conjunction and subject is divided by 2 as NP and VP again. The NP is the earth, determiner the, and noun earth. VP is divided by 2 as well. The verb is, and the noun is round. The next one is the house where I grew up has been demolished. The house has been demolished, and I grew up in the house are the deep structure of the sentence. The second sentence become a relative clause using where. The core idea is the house has been demolished. The tree diagram is divided by NP and VP. The NP divided to 3 branches. The first is determiner the noun of house and the relative clause. Relative clause divided by 2 as well is the where as prepositional phrase. The prepositional and subject divided by NP and VP too. The NP is I as noun. The VP is divided by 2 again. Grow as the verb. Up as the adjective. Adverb. And the VP is divided by 2. The auxiliary has been and the verb of demolish. And that's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching.